Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Today Nifty saw an outperformance and a huge rise of 120 points on a closing basis. Bank Nifty way outperformed with 500 plus points. However, you can see outperformance was there specifically in real estate stocks as well as metals. I was repeatedly telling market will make a move towards 16,000. Banks will lead this move of Nifty towards 16,000. And look at stocks like Tata Steel, look at NMDC, look at SAIL, look at Vedanta and real estate, specifically DLF, Godrej Property, and even from mid and small cap. I did recommend in your Easy Money Show stocks like Kolte Patil, Oberoi Real Estate, Ajmera, lot more. Every stock performed superbly. In fact, today being here at Himavada Gopal Swami temple, and you are able to see the beauty behind, and this entire day I had no new trade to take. However, let me tell you, doing no trade is also a trade because I sat very tight with my positions. Long in Bank Nifty, long in Nifty, all the call options, and you could see specifically real estate and metal stocks in F&O hugely long. I just did my hedge also by taking short positions in IT sector because the move was already too much. In fact, similar to Reliance, what you saw, Reliance had before its 44th AGM a move of already 10 to 11% just in 1 month time. All the good news was already priced in, and post the AGM I said, Reliance, you have to exit, and this exit call I gave before the AGM. You all saw Reliance coming down. I even gave the support is at around 2050. Reliance has to test there. Now 2050 is just a history. But then Reliance has also now bounced back from its support. Banks are outperforming, metals, real estate, giving that stock specific moves. All this is taking Nifty to levels clearly above 16,000. I'm sure those guys who watched the Easy Money Show regularly and your Rudralogy YouTube channel, you have hugely benefited, and I want each one of you to be happy. Share your profits to people who are poor. Help people around you. Do whatever great you can, and do it not for others to watch. Do it for your inner satisfaction. Today I have enjoyed my whole day visiting different temples. Morning started with Muttati, where I visited the Hanuman temple, from where near the Kaveri water, near that small stream of water of Kaveri which was just flowing around, I did my morning Easy Money Show which you all watched. And now from there we came to Himavada Gopal Swami Betta. This is a beautiful place where I took blessings of Lord Krishna, and I will just tell you, today whole day I am so happy. And from now here Himavada Gopal Swami Betta, which is the Lord Krishna's blessing. Also in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. I have done lot of updates of photos and videos. Do watch, and you also take the blessings of God. And then from here I am moving to Nanjangudu to take the blessings of Lord Nanjundeshwara, Shiva, Hara Hara Mahadev. And I'll be praying to each one of you for everyone's happiness, health, wealth, prosperity and peace. Wishing each one of you a very happy day. Signing off, Rudra. I want each one of you to write your feedback, comment about the profits what you made, stock specific moves what you saw, and about your Rudralogy show, about your Easy Money program. Everyone, do write your feedback right now down, and I'll be back to Bangalore tonight. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Take care.